PSM failure, battery voltage too low. The system is now shutting down. So we're getting these three things. When I turned the key on, it sounded like the car was cranking, but I've tried to hold down the electronic parking brake, but it would not reset. And they said to hold it down for 10-15 seconds, but this one is not doing it. And I couldn't clear this fault. So anyway, I guess maybe the battery's dead. We don't know. We're gonna find out shortly though.